Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel and welcome back to our Korean vocabulary by alphabet series. In this video, we are diving into must know Korean words that start with the consonant ch. Now we have already learned a lot of words beginning with various different Korean alphabets, which are must know Korean words starting with kyok, then with Nien, then Tigit, Lear, Miem, Piep, Shiot, and Iam. Now, if you have not watched these 8 videos in which we learned some very important Korean words that begin with these letters, then I would suggest you all to go and watch them. I'll share the link of this complete playlist in the description. So it becomes easy for you to have an access to all these videos. Now, as I said, we are going to go through the most important Korean words that start with the letter ch. From everyday objects to people, jobs, and places, these words are super useful, whether you are just starting out or brushing up your vocab. So let's begin. House, 집, 집. Car, 자동차, 자동차. Paper, 종이, 종이. Gloves, 장갑, 장갑. Address, 주소, 주소. Nephew, 조카, 조카. Niece, 조카딸, 조카딸. 조카 is the Korean word for nephew. And if you add the suffix 달 to 조카, it becomes niece. Now, 달 comes from the Korean word for daughter. Okay? China. So, the Korean word for the country China is 중국. 중국. Eraser. 지우개. 지우개. Plum. 자두. 자두. Juice. 주스. 주스. As you can see, this is a loan word, as juice is the transliteration of this English word choose. Rose. 장미. 장미. Middle school. 중학교. 중학교. 학교 is school, and the word for middle school is 중학교. Okay? West. 조끼. 조끼. Ruler. 차. 차. Very easy, just one syllable word. Nature. 자연. 자연. Kitchen. 주방. 주방. Now basically there are 2 words for kitchen in Korean. One is 주방 and the other word is 부엌. Now 주방 is a more modern word for kitchen, and therefore it refers to a modern style kitchen. And because of this reason, it is more commonly used among younger generations. Okay? And puok, it is a more traditional, or I should say, older word for kitchen, and often times it is used to refer to a traditional Korean kitchen. And because of this reason, you can say that it is more commonly used among the older generations. All right? So, as we are talking about words starting with chiet in this video, the Korean word for kitchen that we are going to consider right now is chubang. Okay? But there is another word for kitchen, and that is puok. All right. Pilot, 조종사, 조종사. job, 직업, 직업. garden, 정원, 정원. earth, 지구, 지구. geography, 지리학, 지리학. Here we are talking about the subject of geography that is being taught in various educational institutions. Alright? magnet, 자석, 자석. gas station, 주유소, 주유소. wallet, 지갑, 지갑. magazine, 잡지, 잡지. parking lot, 주차장, 주차장. writer, 작가, 작가. light bulb, 전구, 전구. grandparents, 조부모님, 조부모님. The word for grandparents is 조부모. We add the suffix 님 to show respect. Okay? And therefore, the word for grandparents in a very respectful way is 조부모님. map, 지도, 지도. bicycle, 자전거, 자전거. fingerprint, 지문, 지문. pocket, 주머니, 주머니. government, 정부, 정부. jazz, 재즈, 재즈. Here you can see that 재즈 is a loan word. Okay? toy, 장난감, 장난감. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. We have covered some very essential Korean words that start with chiet. But as we all know, there are so many more. Can you think of any other Korean words that begin with chiet? If so, then do share them in the comments below and let's make this list even longer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next letter in our series. Thank you.